Why are your students quitting lessons? And why are they not interested in learning music theory? My name is Gloria St. Germain, founder, CEO, and creator of the Ultimate Music Theory certification course for teachers. Why is it important to me? Well, 50% of students quit lessons in the first few years because they're not interested or motivated, or it all seems too hard to understand. I had students just like that. And what was important to me is that I realized I was not alone. Teaching teachers how to teach music theory is a huge passion of mine, and it's the number one reason why I've spent years researching, creating, and developing the Ultimate Music Theory certification course for teachers. When I saw struggling teachers just like me looking for answers in how to maintain a full studio and teach music theory more effectively, wondering why students quit and what could I do about it, I knew it was time to share the professional development with you. Have you ever had students quit? You can share that with me. The Ultimate Music Theory certification course provides you with the tools and strategies that you need in learning how to engage students with a step-by-step system to teach music theory more effectively and have students running into class excited to learn, not quitting because they don't get it, but easily learning and developing those lifelong musicianship skills. Am I right? And don't just take my word for it. When professional music teacher Lisa Darlene Amoretti began teaching, she said she hated music theory with a passion. It never made any sense to her, and she didn't even want to teach it. And when she did, her students failed music theory. Can you imagine that? And some even quit. Why? Because she didn't know where to find the answers to all of her questions on how to teach music theory effectively and with confidence and with enthusiasm. So Lisa thought it was time to try something different, and she got registered for the UMT certification course. And now Lisa Darlene Amoretti said, by giving theory another try via the UMT certification course, my eyes have been opened to a user-friendly version of theory. I now adore theory, and by extension, my students love it. In fact, my students ask, can we do theory every week? I believe that Ultimate Music Theory has made theory cool again, with a brilliant format, structure, and layout. Teachers can rediscover their desire to learn again. Theory is now fun to learn and to teach. Well, I want to say thank you, Lisa, and congratulations on all your success in Skyline Music Studio. Like I said, I think one of the biggest challenges in teaching music theory is engaging students in a really fun and effective way, using the exclusive Ultimate Music Theory teaching system to maximize learning and retention. And truly, that's why I created the Ultimate Music Theory certification course for teachers. You can get registered right now because the cart is closing soon. And if you're looking to have students excited to learn, prevent students from quitting, and you really want to grow your teaching business to include a successful, complete Ultimate Music Theory program, then this professional development opportunity is for you. You'll learn exactly the steps and systems that I've used to grow my professional, successful teaching business, and I want to help you do the same. Motivate your students using our collection of creative lesson plans. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. I'll give you those lesson plans, tools, mnemonic devices, games that you can use with your students each week, and imagine the time you'll save. The Ultimate Music Theory certification course is open now, only until Thursday, May the 16th at midnight, and you've got to check it out now. So enroll by clicking the link below. I'll be back every day this week sharing our teacher experiences and their success stories in the Ultimate Music Theory certification course. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.